She's holding it. That's bullshit. I proved that shit out in 10 seconds. That's not right.
Right.
Robbie. Robbie.
What is wrong?
Robbie.
I didn't bet nothing.
Watery eyes. Still chooping. John, guys.
Hey, you should lick each other's spoon.
It's so fun.
You should lick each other's spoon.
Okay, lick this up because they're so good.
No way. I can go on YouTube. I can go on YouTube right now.
Lori's eyes are so wet. Lori's eyes are so wet.
Wait. Do you guys realize there was 13 calories in that?
Wow.
Oh my God, go barf.
Bye, Lori.
Wow.
Oh, man.
I'm not betting you no more.